Oh, 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 Shining Legends Matt, I come to you again, begging for Shining Charizard! Please! You get one more chance. After this, you're retired forever. Alright, I believe in you. Then we're going back to old faithful Lugia and Ho-Oh if you do not grant us this Charizard. What's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I am back in gear. Don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Pokemon flavored, and we have a Shining Metagross GX Dealio Pokemon Ball collection of awesomeness, I hope. I'm begging. Here's a look at it. There's a look at my DS, some sort of card that I have on my table. Let's get into this. It's got 10 Hidden Fates packs. That's 10 chances at a Shining Charizard GX. I've been trying so hard. We've opened so many packs. I refuse to purchase it. We're going to pull the Charizard, and I'm going to lose my mind when it happens. I already took the cellophane off of this one. When I was trying to take the picture for the thumbnail, it just was not cooperating. Ah! I mean, man sounds. I was not scared at all when that happened. Camera! I don't know how to do anything. Listen, I'm an adult, okay? I'm an adult. Don't you forget it. Look, it's safe. So, we got our beautiful Metagross, Shining Metagross GX, and my camera still doesn't want to focus on my face. Beautiful. And we will be opening all 10 packs. I am still praying that we pull Charizard, or I really want Noivern. I want Noivern so badly. I love Noivern's shiny. Here is our Metagross. That looks so good. Metagross has an amazing shiny. It's gold and silver, just like the two best Pokemon games. So I'm going to go ahead and sleeve that puppy. Whew, that looks good. Here is your code card. Somebody let me know. What do you get with that code card? Do you get the whole collection? Because that would be cuckoo bananas. Hold on. I can do this. Listen. I went to college, okay? I can do this thing. Aha! There's the snap. There's our Ultra Ball. Hold on. There's our Ultra Ball to go with the beautiful Great Ball we got the other day. I really need to come up with a better setup for this. I'll just keep knocking the camera. I don't care. Listen, all that matters is what we get in these packs, okay? Okay? Alright, we got 10 packs. That's 10 tries at a Charizard. And every time I do one of these shiny pack openings, I like to ask you guys how many shinies you think I'll get. So, 10 shots. That's a lot of Mew packs. Why do we get 3 Mew packs? Anyway, let's get into this. I recorded the Zoroark, I think 4 days ago or something like that. It's been a while, so I've had a chance to cool off. We're gonna get something good. I can feel it. There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting. It's not rock. It's not ground. Learn, TCG players. Pokemon types. You gotta learn for Sword and Shield. Sword and Shield. We got Magmar. We got Charmeleon. Wartortle. Mewtwo. Tentacruel. Aerodactyl, that's right, Poker App. Every single time I see one of those Pokemon. Voltorb, coughing, the reverse is a shiny Wimpod. Do I have that? I don't even remember now. And the rare. Oh, it's an Onyx GX. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I'm definitely super happy about the GXs. We want the shinies, okay? All right, one shiny down. If you guessed one shiny, so far you're correct. But if you pray that I get no more shinies so you're correct in the comment section, you're a monster. All right, let's get into Mewtwo. Mewtwo, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl, Ammonite, Slowpoke, Pidgeot, Arbok. That's all, folks! Look, it's in the same part of the Poker App. Okay. Don't tell your parents I use my teeth on packs. They'll be like, why'd you watch that weirdo? He's over here bumping his camera. Does he even have his life together? I don't. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. It'd be really weird if that was ice. Okay, you have to understand that water and ice are not the same. Scyther. Sabrina's suggestion. Pokemon Center Lady. We got a Char. We got ourselves a Slowpoke. A Psyduck. Clefairy. Magikarp. Oh, what? Reshiram. Nice. And the rare's a Mewtwo GX. What a loaded pack. Cool. That looks good. Big fan of that one. How you doing? How you doing? All right. Good start. Hey, guy who said I was only going to get one shiny, look at me now. Be careful who you call ugly in high school, okay? Open with my mouth after this one fails? Yup. See, that's the trick. You want to get good pulls, you got to eat your packs open. That sounded awful. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting, not ground, not rock. All right. We got ourselves a very blurry Giovanni's Exile, Koga's Trap, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Char! We got ourselves a Corp, Staryu, Slowpoke, the reverse, is an Ekans, and the rare is an Electro Diglett, Nidoran, Mankey, Venusaur, Rattata, Furo, Pidgey. See? Alright, we got ourselves some birds. Alright, birds. What's your favorite shiny from the set, guys? Let me know. Let me know what you think is best shiny in set. Here is beautiful code card. Take it, comrade. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel. If you say metal, you're kicked out of the club. You are straight up bananaed. We got ourselves a Metapod. Misty Cerulean City Gym. Magmar. We got an Ekans. We got a Voltorb. Geodude. Pikachu, the reverse, is behind this Clefairy, and it's a Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. And the rare is a Zapdos. I actually like that Zapdos. Looking good, girl. How you doing? Next pack up is a Mew. I love me some Mew. Mew's so adorable. I don't understand why Mew didn't get a shiny in this pack. I don't know. Here is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy. Fairy. Not psychic like Galarian Ponyta. What? Graveler. Chansey. Brock's Pewter City Gym. We got a Clefairy. Jigglypuff. Caterpie. Eevee. Ekans the reverse. Ooh, we got a shiny Beldum. And the rare is that beautiful Lapras. Hey. Hey, what's so wrong with one more Bronzong? That's the only thing that rhymes with that. Okay, yeah, I think I've pulled Wimpod and Reshiram. I definitely have not pulled Beldum, so that's a new shiny. We're up to 3 shinies. Mew, come on, this is going to be the good one. This is going to be the God pack. This is going to be the Arceus pack. Speaking of, did you guys hear that much like Magic the Gathering has implemented, there will be God packs where you open it, 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy, and it's electric, not lightning. That's like people who say, oh, did you hear that lightning? You heard thunder. Stop. Anyway, Pokemon's going to have God packs. Farfetch'd, that's going to be really cool. It's basically where you open up a booster pack and all the cards inside are just amazing. So, full arts, I guess. I'm not sure. Staryu. We got an Ekans. The reverse is a Bowie. And the rare. Oh, another Zapdos. Guess what deck I'm building? Is anything from this set, like, usable in the metagame? Like, good usable? Alright, here is your code card. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's fighting, not ground, not rock. Oh, yeah! I'm sane, I promise. Brock's Pewter City Gym. We got Giovanni's Exile, Koga's Trap. Ekans, we got a Pess. We got a Char. Slowpoke. Psyduck, the reverse is Bill's Analysis. And the rare, Jesse James. Team Rocket blasts off at the speed of light. Surrender now or prepare to fight me out. That's right. Wow, Buffett. Right. You know the thing. All right. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy. 1 is the loneliest number. We got Chansey. We got Giovanni's Exile once again. We got ourselves a Koga's Trap. Voltorb. Coughing. We got a Geodude. Jigglypuff, the reverse. We got a shiny Rockruff. He's so cute. And the rare is a Wurzing. Hey guys. That's like 900 shinies. We got 4 shinies. 2 new ones. Look at him. He's so happy to be mine. Okay. If we have 2 packs left. If we can get another full art, that would be godly. But I think this is this on par with what we got last time? Maybe. This looks good. This looks really good. Okay, guys, Charizard, please. We got 2 more packs. Mewtwo, Charizard. If not, can I get a Noivern up in here? Please? All right, Mewtwo. What you thinking, bro? I need to hire somebody to start picking up all my packs and sorting my cards. I'll pay you 50 cents a day. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. We got Dark. Let's get dangerous. We got ourselves a Farfetch'd. We got a Jinx. Misty's Determination. We got Voltorb. Geodude. Bowie. We got a Clefairy. Caterpie the reverse. Articuno! Oh, yeah! All right, another new one in a full art. And the rare is another Mewtwo GX. Oh, fun fact. Okay, Pokemon Origins came out, which is an amazing series. Highly recommend you watch it. Way better than the actual Pokemon anime. And oh my gosh, this is a good box. I like this. And when that happened, I decided I was going to play through Leaf Green again. And I went to Seafoam Islands, which is where you get Articuno, and I saved in front of it because I was going to reset till I got a modest one, because that's a good nature for Articuno. And I saved, and I encountered it, and it was shiny. And I was like, well, Master Ball, boop, and I got it. Fun facts. Okay, this is our last pack. Before we get into it, I'd just like to say thank you so much for all the support. I say the same thing, but I still mean it every single time. I keep getting subscribers. You guys keep commenting. You keep watching the videos, so I know you like it. Comment section's been a little bit barren, but you know, I just appreciate you watching the content. So, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy this kind of content. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I bring Pokemon and Funko Pop content all the time. There will be video game content for Sword and Shield once that game comes out. You should follow me on Twitch, too. The stream schedule is down in the description. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. Psychic, not poison or ghost. All right, let's get this bread. We got a Farfetch'd, Brookscrit, Misty Cerulean City Gym. We got a Char, Clefairy, Slowpoke, Magikarp, Pikachu. The reverse is a Butterfree, and the rare is a Chatterbox. Well, this was a really good, like, check this out. Check out this haul. We got 5 shinies, so 50% pull rate, but we also got 3 GXs, which is, this is insane. Yeah, so do all the things that I said before all of this. There's one more Shining Legends release with a Shining Rayquaza and a bunch of packs that I'll be purchasing and opening on the channel. I think it comes out in November, maybe? So stay tuned for that. That is all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.